welcome back to my channel. This is Tiffany, and in today's video we are going to be organizing the spices and giving them all a nice cohesive look.
The same old stars battle the same old wars like so many times before, and I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. We were never meant to last, but all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart, and I know that we're not perfect.
So these are the 3 pantry organizers is what they call them, that I'm going to be using in the cabinets up here. And I love these. I had one of these before, except it didn't have these lips that it has right here, because with the other one it doesn't have it, and every time you get a spice out everything would fall over. So I really appreciate these, and they're pretty deep, so like that too, and they do expand a lot. So if you have a really wide cabinet, these will definitely work. So I've got this clear one I'm going to put on the first level, and then these 2 are going to go up at the top.
But I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone.
These are the empty spice bottles that I got right here. They're really nice. It comes with like even a pen if you want to write on them. And then also the reason why I ended up purchasing these particularly is because it comes with these spice labels, and they do have like square, I think these are rectangle labels, and these are going to be your circular labels. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do it with the square ones. I don't know, let's open them up and see what they look like. And then it also comes with this funnel, which is super appreciated because, you know, stick it in there and then you can put your spices in. Here are the spice labels, and these are the rectangle ones, which are super cute. Oh my gosh, they are so detailed. This is like holly basil, lemon basil, sweet basil. That is awesome. Basil leaves. Yeah, so it comes with 378 different kind of labels, which awesome. So hopefully it has everything that I need. So let's open up the circular ones. And here are the circular ones right here. So these are just as cute, but I think I'm gonna go with these because I really like them. They're about the same size font, but I think I can, with my old eyes here, I can see these a little bit better.
You as you drive, do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. deep. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I love organizing and I'm so glad that I finally got my spices organized, and it's so much easier to just open the cabinet up and get exactly what I need. It's all in alphabetical order, so if I need cinnamon, I know it's where exactly it is and I don't have to keep going through. Like before, I'd have to like go through each of them, didn't know where anything was. So it is super helpful when cooking, and it's very pleasing to the eye. So be sure to like this video. I'll leave links in the comments down below. So if you guys want to, you know, get organized, you can do it with me. And be sure to subscribe if you haven't done already. And until next time, bye.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's going